Hello friends, welcome to the Textual Education. In this video, we are going to learn how to fetch data from Oracle database with JDBC connectivity. So, we will learn how to fetch all data, then we will learn fetch a specific record from data. All these depends upon the queries that we create. So let's get start. Open your DBOPRS class and create a method here to get data. So create a method by name public void get all employees. Now create a try catch block first and catch any exception in catch block and print that exception. System.out.println ex dot get data issue, then ex dot to string. Now let's follow all our steps. First we have to create a variable name for connection, then prepared statement variable, then result set. Here we are using the result set. Result set is used to store data in row column format. Now the next variable for query string query equal to select star from employees. This query will select all data from employee table. So the next step is, first we have to create a connection object. So con equal to connection provider dot get oracle connection, then pst prepared statement object, pst equal to con dot prepare statement. Here we will pass the query. Then next rst equal to pst dot execute query. This query will execute and store the output in result set object. So let's check the result set object first. If rst not equal to null and rst dot next, the next method will move the cursor pointer to the first position of the result set object. So else print data not found. If data found, then print the value that is system.out.println name equal to rst.get string, and here we will give the column name that we have created in table. We forget to display the id, so first we will display the id equal to rst.get int id. So next is department system.out.println department rst.get string. These methods are for result set interface to get data from table with the help of column name. Always remember, column name must be same to the table. Now next we will display mobile number, then rst.get string mobile no, then display the salary system.out.println salary rst.get int salary. Let's create a line separator to display a record one by one. Let's quick review. First, create a method to get all employees, then connection variable, then prepared statement variable, then result set variable, then query, then we create connection object. On the basis of connection object, we create prepared statement, then we create the result set object, then we check the result set object is null or not, and if not, then we point the cursor to the first position in the result set. Now ID will display the ID, name will display the name, department will display the desired department, and so on. So let's close the connection in finally block. Finally, connection provider dot close JDBC connection and pass the variable of JDBC API. All done. Let's move to our main class and call the method to display all data. DB-OPRS object is already created, so call a method OPRS.getAllEmployees and run your file. It will display the all records. It is displaying only one record. I think we missed something. Okay, we missed the loop functionality. Let's check again. Go to our method name and in try catch block we have to apply do while loop. Do, then while, rst.next. Why we are applying do while loop? Because the cursor position is in first position, so we have to execute our first record initial stage. Now let's run file again and you can see the output of all data. In our table we have two records, Mohan Singh and Syam Singh, so it is displaying the both records. If this table contains more than two records, it will display all records from our method. So this is the process how you can fetch all data from table. It is depends on query. Now let's create another method to fetch specific record of employee. Create a method by name public void get employee by ID. Here we will pass only ID. Now create a try catch block. Catch the exception if any occurred here. EMP by ID issue, then exe.getToString. Now let's create the variables. First, same as above, connection con equal to null, then prepared statement PST equal to null, then result set RST equal to null, then string query. Here we will change our query to search a specific record like select star from employees where ID equal to question mark. Here we will set our search ID. Okay, so let's create the connection object first. Con equal to connection provider dot get connection, get Oracle connection, then PST equal to con dot prepare statement. Here we will pass the query, then we need to set the parameter. like pst.set int1 to our id. This id will set to the id equal to your search id. Now rst equal to pst.execute query. This will execute the query and store the result in result set object. All done. The next condition will be same, so let's copy from here and paste it here. Good, everything will work fine. Get employee by id. Here we will apply the condition where id equal to our specified id, that will fetch the record for that particular id. And now let's close the objects here. Connection provider dot close Oracle connection. Always close your connection in finally block, because finally block is always executed. So let's test the method. oprs.getEmployee by id. Here we will pass the id 100. This will fetch the record for employee whose id is 100. Let's check. Right click and run your file. Now let's see. The id is 100, name is Shyam Singh, department sales, and salary is 35,000. Now let's check with 101 id. 101 id record is fetched. id 101. Let's check with 1090. Data not found. All things are working correctly, perfectly. So this is the process how we can fetch the data from Oracle database. In next video we will learn how to update record I hope you learn successfully. Thank you. See you in next video.
Thanks for watching. Kindly hit the like button, subscribe our channel for future notification. Bye bye. See you in next videos.